Hi, welcome to the Numeracy 5-a-day answers for the 30th of March. If you need help on one particular question, feel free to pause the video now and go to these videos on Corbettmaths.com and they will help you with one particular question. Otherwise, let's go through all the solutions. So the first question is an order in decimals question. We've been asked to arrange in order from lowest to highest, 0.2, 0.18, 0.202, 0.3 and 0.27. As you can see here, the numbers all have different numbers of decimal places. That's the numbers after or digits after the decimal point. 0.2 has got one decimal place. 0.18 has got two decimal places, two numbers after the decimal point. 0.202 has got three numbers after the decimal point, so three decimal places. 0.3 has got one decimal place, and 0.27 has got two decimal places. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make all the numbers have the same number of decimal places by adding zeros onto the end. That'll be 0.200, 0.180, 0.202, 0.300 and 0.270. Now we're going to put them in order from lowest to highest. So as you can see here, the lowest number will obviously be 0.180. Now if we go back to the original question, that was 0.18, so let's write that down, 0.18. That's the smallest number. Next, if we look at the list, we've done that one. So we've got now 0.200, 0.202, and 0.270. I'm not looking at the 0.3 because I can see that's clearly the biggest one. So the next smallest one will be 0.200, so that's this one, 0.2. The next number would be 0.202. The next one would be 0.270, or if we look at the question, 0.27. And then finally, the largest one will be 0.300 or 0.3. That's it. So that's the numbers arranged in order from lowest to highest. Okay, our next question. Our next question is an addition question. We've got 782 plus 138. So let's line them up using the column method. So 782 and 138, and we're going to add them. So 2 plus 8 is 10, so put the 0 down, carry the 1. 8 plus 3 is 11, plus 1 is 12, so put the 2 down, carry the 1. And 7 plus 1 is 9, so the answer would be 920. And our next question is a division question, so I'm going to use short division. I'm going to write 1715 and do the bus shelter, or the line up and over the top, and the 7 in front. So 7 into 1 doesn't go, so that's 0, remainder 1. 7 into 17 goes twice, that's 14, remainder 3, so put 3 there. 7 into 31, well 7 times 4 is 28, so it's going to be 4, remainder 3. And 7 into 35 will be equal to 5. So the answer is 245. Okay, our next question. Our next question is a bar chart question, and here we've got a bar chart and we've got merits going up vertically from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And we've got the name of 4 boys along the bottom, Ryan, Fred, Sam and Marty. And the question says which student has the most merits. So if we look at this, we're looking for the highest bar, and as you can see, this bar is the highest one, Marty, and it says which student has the most merits, so Marty has the most merits, Marty. And the next question, Ryan gets 35 more credits in January. So at the minute, Ryan has got 70 credits or merits, so 70 merits, and he's going to get 35 more in January. And the question is, how many merits does Ryan have at the end of January? So we're going to do 70 plus 35. And when we do that, we get, well, 0 plus 5 is equal to 5, 7 plus 3 is 10, so the answer is 105. So Ryan will have 105 merits at the end of January.